Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade motherfucking recap. We're back after the blown funded accounts. We're back on Evo. We took it out. It's a good L, I can't lie. I don't actually mind this loss. I follow my rules. I did everything I needed to, so I'm okay with it. But I forgot to do something. Today is Thursday, the 27th of August, 2026. And yeah, one trade, one L. Quick trade recap because I'm in a rush. Yeah, we took an L. Coming into the day, I was more bullish. Yeah, more bullish for sure. I mean, it's pretty goddamn obvious, you know. We're just super bullish overall. Let me go back one. Super bullish overall. If we look on the 4 hour, you know, disrespecting gaps. Got relative equalize up here, got a daily fair value gap, just very, very bullish, really nice structure it looked like coming into the market. So I just wanted longs. Originally, I wanted a little resweep of this 1 hour intermediate low, but we did not get that. Well, we did. And I feel like a lot of people took this. Yeah, a lot of people probably took this Judas. You know, sweep of this 1 hour intermediate low, and then 1 minute inversion. But I just didn't like it. Like, at the end of the day, look at the close. So yeah, good fade from me. And then we ended up dumping, but I was still very, very. Oh yeah, this was the trade, man. This I should have took this, to be honest. So yeah, I was still very bullish. I really like this setup here. Why? ES is now took London low, meaning we've got an SMT. So that means both assets are in the spotted distribution. Obviously, ES has swept London low, and also NQ is respecting this 30-minute. But I just didn't like this structure, you know. Did not like this structure. So my plan was to wait for this 5 minute to get inversed, which it did. And look at that. It is so annoying, you know. I should have took this 4 minute maybe. This 4 minute would have been absolute bank. Look at that. I was so confident in this trade as well, but it is what it is. I follow my rules, and it is what it is. I did end up like setting a buy limit, but we just did not come back. But yeah, this trade, it's unfortunate. It is very, very unfortunate. And if I took that 4 minute, it would have banked. But it is what it is. It's unfortunate for sure. And then yeah, we ended up coming up, and then this 5 minute fair value gap gave us a big reaction. As you can see, we ended up coming back down, and then this is where my setup was. We tapped into this 5 minute rejection block. I was still very bullish, like, just because we've, you know, tapped this 5 minute fair value gap doesn't mean I'm not bullish anymore, you know. So got these relative equalizer here, got London eyes, got this daily fair value gap up here. I'm still bullish, so this setup just looked perfect. So yeah, we tapped this rejection block, and all I wanted now was confirmation, which we got with this 2 minute. Is it there? There. Got in. Once we inverse this 2 minute, ES is also still, you know, respecting bullish. You know, we've swept this low. Also tapped into this 15 minute rejection block on ES. Just looking very nice. And yeah, we got in there after the 2 minute inverse. And yeah, we got stopped out. That's why it is. Like, this one, I mean, I'm honestly not too mad about this, you know, 2 canal. It's part of the game of trading, but it's a good L. Like, I like this trade, and I'd probably take it again. So it's one of them ones. And we did actually smash. We did actually get a trade after this. I probably would have took this if I didn't take that. This 3 minute inverse. This shit ended up smacking TP. So what I like to see is that my trade idea was right. Like, we were bullish. So even though this trade failed, at least my bias was right, because as you can see, we ended up going higher and smacking TP. So, you know, I could have waited for the retreat, but I like this rejection block trade. And that is it, boys. Like I said, it's going to be a quick trade recap. Very unfortunate. We are back on eval, and we are down on the eval. But it is what it is. We'll build our way back up. Follow our rules, stay disciplined, and can't let these losses, you know, affect us too much. And yeah, that is literally it, boys. Join the Discord, get in the motherfucking Discord, follow the socials. Yeah, that is it, boys. Get in the Discord, sick Discord. And also, if you wanted to cop any Alpha Futures account, code SMG for 50% off. Just get them accounts in, boys. Code SMG. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully the next trade recap is a W.